Michael, would you like to explain to our viewers a little bit about trademarks?
Thanks, Rod. So, welcome everybody. My name is Michael Coyle and I'm the owner of Lawdit Solicitors. We specialise in intellectual property. Intellectual property consists of various legal terms which you'll be familiar with. A patent, a registered design, copyright, for example. But today I just want to spend a couple of minutes for all of you franchisors and potential franchisees to talk to you today about trademarks. Now, there will be a fact sheet to accompany this brief introduction, so please do cross-refer to the fact sheet. But it's a basic guide to trademarks. So here we go. So, a trademark, as you will all know, is something which indicates where the goods or the services came from. So in simplistic terms, when you're walking down the high street, every shop, retail store you see will be a registered trademark. Every one of them, without fail, they'll be registered. Provided it's capable of being a trademark, so it isn't descriptive, and B, there's nothing out there which is similar to what was filed. Excuse me. So, once we establish that a trademark can function as a trademark, you then need to file the trademark at the Intellectual Property Office in Cardiff. Now, the process is relatively straightforward. You need to know what's out there, and you need to do a search, which we can help you with. But trademarks are so important to the franchise industry because what the franchisor is giving the franchisee is a package, and that package will consist of intellectual property, of which at the top of the tree is the trademark. Now, if you don't have a trademark, then it dilutes the prospects of you being able to franchise the collective brand, which will include the trademark, the get-up, the uniforms, the menus, the brochures. It gives the franchisee an identity in order then for other consumers to start using you as a franchisee. So what I mean by that is, again, taking the high street analogy, and I don't mean this in a rude way because of the nature of your type of franchises, but walking down the high street, you will see Burger King. Now, Burger King is a franchise. For 250,000 to 550,000, you can have a franchise of Burger King. But for that, you are given the Burger King intellectual property. And that's what I want you guys to reflect on. You guys being the franchisors. What trademarks do you own? What trademarks can you file? And what trademarks can you then collectively package up to be franchised to the franchisee? That is why trademarks are so important. And that is why, with a successful trademark registered, you will be in a position to strengthen the appeal of the brand by franchising it out. Conversely, if you don't have a trademark and you have very little intellectual property, how can the franchisee take your concept and promote and sell that without an easily recognisable brand that's been protected? So I urge all of you, be it a franchisor, be it a franchisee, to consider intellectual property, to consider trademarks, and above all, when looking at the franchise agreement, consider what registered trademarks you do have. There's going to be a few of these now over the next few days and weeks, so please do subscribe to Rod and his excellent service, and I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Michael Coyle. Many, many thanks, and all the best.